How to present in a classroom. 1. On index cards, write note cards. On your index cards, note the important concepts. Don't include specifics in your writing lest you suffer the destiny of reading while glancing down at your note cards. Include some entertaining information, interactive inquiries, and other interactive exercises on the cards to present to the class. 2. Practice. In the majority of presentations, it is rather clear who has prepared and who has not. Prepare your speech in terms of both what you'll say and how you'll say it. When you really do it, you'll be much more confident and, unlike people who try to wing it, you'll cut out the likes and ums. 3. Make research. You must be knowledgeable about the subject at hand in order to deliver a compelling presentation. You don't have to become an authority on your subject or read every book or website that has ever been published on it, but you should be able to respond to any queries your teacher or classmates may pose. 4. Grin at the people watching. Nothing draws your audience into your presentation more than a good, old-fashioned smile when it's time to present. Be glad since you're about to teach your entire class something new. 5. Have faith in your presentation. Your teacher is effectively letting you do their job for a short period when you give your class a presentation. It's your responsibility to ensure that everyone comprehends what you're saying. Before presenting, make sure to observe how your instructor does this because teachers are skilled communicators. 6. Establish eye contact. Nothing is more monotonous than watching a presenter scan the ground or a stack of note cards. Relax. Your friends are your audience, and you speak to them frequently. Continue speaking in the same manner today. 7. Make sure your voice is modulated. Not putting your audience to sleep is your goal. Engagement is. Regard your subject with enthusiasm. Discuss it as if it were the most fascinating thing ever. Your fellow students will appreciate it. 8. Make hand gestures. As you speak, move your hands around the room to highlight ideas and keep the audience interested. Additionally, it will direct your tense energy in a more positive direction. 9. Have a strong ending. There are presentations that end with, yeah, as you may have heard. Your conclusion will leave a lasting impression on your audience and teacher alike. Make it exciting by include a concluding statistic, or think of something original to do. Anything can serve as your conclusion as long as your audience understands that you are done. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.